your mixer-upper.
And I do vocals with the I think they didn't fix it themselves. You try to get sued for something like that. I am. What do you mean by that?
Yeah. There's a pizza place across the street.
Marcus? I was trying to explain that to Bronson the other day. He's like, who's Marco? Like a really like southern.
What? Huh?
Like Nickelback.
What?
Songs. Like
Do you want food? What? Are you hungry? No, it's not too much noise. I didn't hear you. Am I hungry? No. Not right now. Not for anything here. Oh, that'd be funny.
After he's done death face,
Yes,
a different style band-aid after this. It comes off in a million pieces. It doesn't just like peel off. Tried ripping one corner and it's like.
Yay. I'm gonna have to take a shower at your casa. That's cool. Okay.
I think we still have toothbrushes.
Do you? Probably. Hey. Hey, Kristen.
She doesn't spend the night. You want to do that party with you? I don't know.
Whoa.
Guys, it's taking longer than expected. Almost done. I got 6 more.
What's your favorite song to play? The songs you guys play?